Okay, once again, we're at Kill Devil Hill, North Carolina, and it's Friday, January 25th, 2013, and snow coming down here, for sure, and interesting contrast between the snow on the top of the sand on the beach and, of course, the white of the waves coming in. But even here, the snowfall is rather intense. Not quite a blizzard scenario like up north here in New York State or Ontario, Canada, but boy, for people living in North Carolina, this has got to be a shock. Got to be a shock. What a sight. Absolutely incredible. Well, hopefully the groundhog won't see his shadow on February 2nd so that we can get into spring as soon as possible and avoid this sharp weather contrast.